Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. This is a flip through of the book The Wizard of Oz that I just recently finished. It's closed with sari silk tie, and then the cover is not all fancied up because the original books were not all fancied up. And when you open it up, you get your first signature, and the first page is just like the inside of the book, and then the publishing copyrights and the dates and all just like inside the book. Then the third page is a writing page, and then we've got a pocket here. It says Cowardly Lion. And then on the writing pages, I usually put something small so that you can still write around it, but it wasn't just a big blank piece of paper. And this one says The Wizard, and it says pay no attention to the man behind the curtains. Anyway, and so there's a pocket with some ephemera in it. I believe one of these opens up into a little writing booklet. And then right here is a big tag, a big writing tag. All the tags are printed on the back side. None of them are white. And then this is our booklet, our insert that goes into there's one in the center of each of the signatures. There's 3 signatures, and this is just a flip over, or not a flip over, but a little booklet. So there's just the 2 pages. Half is in this part of the signature and half's in the other half of the signature. And this little booklet is clipped down with a little decorative paper clip. You can have space to write in there. This one says Dorothy, and there's Dorothy in bed with the tornadoes going on around her. And then in the center is the center spread, and I made laminated bookmarks for the first and the third signatures. And then this is Follow the Yellow Brick Road, and there's the Yellow Brick Road and Glenda the Good Witch's wand. And inside here is a card. Let's see if it's this one. Nope, it's not that one. I think it's in the last signature. And then you go over here, and this is the other side of that card that we just saw. And then on this page is some ephemera, and this is a tuck spot, but I didn't really feel like it was secure enough, so I put a decorative paper clip on there. And it just kind of goes through with pockets and cards. And this is a belly band with an envelope. Come on, envelope. I think he likes the glue. Anyway, the envelope is glued shut. Here it goes. The envelope is glued shut with retack tape so that you can open it and close it, open it and close it, open it and close it. I haven't taken a look at that. There we go. There we go. Hello, envelope. Okay. Definitely something to adjust for later. I hate that when you go through a flip through, there's always something in a flip through. So I put this little heart here. And then there's this big poppy here. Now you might notice that the poppies in this book are a little bit different color than the bright red. That's why I didn't accent it with any of the bright red. And so in the other signature, one of the other signatures, I fussy cut out one of these and inked it and then put it back on. And I plan to do that on this one, and I'll have to go back through and do it because I forgot. So there's Dorothy and Toto when they see the scarecrow. This is signature 2, little scarecrow. This one is an envelope with a belly band that actually does come out. And there's a card to write with. When you open this up, you hear that? All right, that's our tape that opens and closes. And inside is a card. There's the Tin Man. Oh, this is the flower that I fussy cut out. It's in the second signature. And then they're all in the poppy field. And here's a postcard. And another writing page. This is the same little insert that was in, not the same one, but the same type of thing that was in the first one. So when you open it, it also has a little writing card, paper clipped on. this is a booklet. This is the center of the second signature. And so there's a booklet instead of a bookmark in here that you can write on. And all of this coffee dyed paper, I don't know if you can, probably not, has a shimmer to it. And I sprayed it with white metallic paint and alcohol spray, and it makes it look shiny, and I thought it looked sort of like the sparkles from the Good Witch. Yes. Okay. And this is the center spread, which I never really decorated. I always find two complementary pages, and the flowers all match up, you know, and go across. And I really don't know why I do that, but I do. So this is a stacked pocket, but each one of these is a belly band. So normally the person would glue the bottom of each pocket. But in this case, what I did was I left the bottoms open. So that makes it like a stacked belly band. So you've got this card, and then you've got this card, which you can see them at the bottom. And then you've got this large writing paper here. Okay, then you go over here on this side, trying to find which one it is. And the Wicked Witch, I'll get you, my pretty. This is a little trifold. Writing on the back. It's a round pocket. Some more writing paper, kind of to make up for the writing paper that I cover up. And here's Dorothy. I added her on running down the road, and inside is writing space. And she's on top of a Dorothy pocket that says there's no place like home. Oh, okay, that's the end of the second signature. The card I'm looking for is in this signature. And so in here is another belly band. I tried to make them similar, but not exactly the same. This one, the belly band is double. And on this one, the envelope actually comes out and opens. And I added the scarecrow to the gold yellow brick road. Okay, and here's a double pocket. And Dorothy with the munchkins. Toto. Another center card. And it says, if I only had a brain. Then down here it says, what would you do with a brain if you had it? And that's a scarecrow. And then there's a side corner pocket. And it says, I do not, I beg of you, dampen today's sun with the showers of tomorrow. I love the sayings on these cards. And I would like to say also that it took 3 different sets of ephemera. I took the ephemera that came with this kit, and then I went online and I think it's called, I've got them all in the credits and stuff underneath the video. One of them is Adamo Prints, and the other one I believe is Page by the Book, or Book by the Page. I don't remember which one it is now, but anyway, I got extra ephemera from them. So that's what this is, and that's what these types of cards are right here. I love the sayings on these. I'm not going to read them all to you. Don't worry. This is the scarecrow one. So I tried to put the name of the character next to a picture of each one all the way through. And here's your laminated bookmark. This is the center spread, where all the flowers line up and everything. And here's the Mariel Land of Oz in a pocket, in a side pocket. And it says, never give up. Oho advised Dorothy, no one ever knows what's going to happen next. That is so true. And then there's this envelope here. Yes, and on the back it says, this book was made by Terry Lee. I knew it was in one of these little pockets like this. So that way whoever eventually gets this book, then they'll know who wrote it. Or I'll know that I did it. Okay, and there's the back there with the wizard. And there's a pocket with a couple of postcards in the end, and the back signature, or the back inside of the book, and the back of the book that looks like Dorothy's dress. And that's the flip through of The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really loved making this book. It's one of the favorite books that I've ever made, and so I hope that you enjoyed it too. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. This is me saying goodbye, of course, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.